Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through an in-depth review of Framer AI to help you discover how this interactive web design tool generates complete, publication-ready websites straight from simple text prompts. If you're a product designer, freelancer, or startup founder wanting to bypass complex coding setups, traditional web development handoffs, and cumbersome landing page builders, Framer AI acts as your automated UI design partner. The standout power of the platform lies in its seamless generative workflow. Simply describe your brand concept, target audience, and color scheme, and Framer automatically generates a multi-section, responsive web page, complete with dynamic hero sections, interactive visual layouts, custom desktop to mobile breakpoints, and context-aware copy written directly by AI. Because it operates on a canvas almost identical to Figma, designers can import Figma frames directly into editable web components or use intuitive conversational prompts to retheme colors, restructure page sections, and polish micro-animations without touching HTML or CSS. However, the real-world experience comes with noticeable performance trade-offs. While the AI provides an incredible initial springboard, raw first draft layouts can feel visually repetitive or generic, requiring manual visual tweaks before launching. Additionally, complex multi-page CMS sites can experience editor lag. Native e-commerce functions remain missing without third-party plugins, and you cannot export clean raw code, permanently locking your website into Framer's monthly hosting plans. Ultimately, if you need to rapidly prototype visually stunning landing pages or portfolio sites directly on a visual canvas, Framer AI is a revolutionary, game-changing tool well worth adding to your creative arsenal. Subscribe the channel for more videos.